Mga English phrases at sentences na ginagamitan ng salitang where o saan o nasaan sa Tagalog. Babasahin ko ng 3 beses ang mga pangungusap, pati na rin ang mga translation sa Filipino. Ang gagawin mo lang ay makinig ng mabuti at pagkatapos ay ikaw naman ang magbabasa ng mga ito. Sentence number 1. Where are you? Where are you? Kahulugan, nasaan ka? Where are you? 2. Where are we? Where are we? Nasaan tayo? Where are we? 3. Where is Henry? Where is Henry? Nasaan si Henry? Where's Henry? 4. Where is Doha? Where is Doha? Saan ang Doha? Where's Doha? 5. Where did you go? Where did you go? Saan ka nagpunta? Where did you go? 6. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Nasaan ang phone ko? Where's my phone? 7. Where is room 12? Where is room 12? Saan ang room 12? Where's room 12? Where are you from? Where are you from? Taga-saan ka? Where are you from? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Kahulugan, saan sumasakit? O kaya, saan masakit? Where does it hurt? Where is your cap? Where is your cap? Nasaan ang sombrero mo o nasaan ang cap mo? Where's your cap? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? Saan tayo magkikita? Where will we meet? Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Nasaan ang salamin ko? Where are my glasses? Where do you live? Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Where's the toothpaste? Where's the toothpaste? Nasaan ang toothpaste? Where's the toothpaste? Where did you see Kim? Where did you see Kim? Saan mo nakita si Kim? Where did you see Kim? Do you know where she went? Do you know where she went? Alam mo ba kung saan siya nagpunta? Do you know where she went? Where can I get my luggage? Where can I get my luggage? Saan ko pwedeng kunin ang mga bagahe ko? Where can I get my luggage? Where did you find the key? Where did you find the key? Saan mo nakita ang susi? Where did you find the key? Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? Saan ako makakahanap o saan ako makakakuha ng taxi? Where can I get a taxi? Where are you going? Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Where's your office? Where's your office? Saan ang opisina mo? Where's your office? Where did you go last Sunday? Where did you go last Sunday? Saan ka nagpunta noong linggo? Where did you go last Sunday? Where should I put my laundry? Where should I put my laundry? Saan ko dapat o saan ko pwedeng ilagay ang labahan ko? Where should I put my laundry? Where do you plan to stay? Where do you plan to stay? Kahulugan? Saan mo balak tumuloy o saan mo balak mamalagi? Where do you plan to stay? No matter where I go, I get lost. No matter where I go, I get lost. Kahit saan ako magpunta, naliligaw ako. No matter where I go, I get lost. Where would you like to go first? Where would you like to go first? Saan mo unang gusto pumunta? Where would you like to go first? Where will you have lunch today? Where will you have lunch today? Saan ka magla-lunch ngayon? Where will you have lunch today? Nobody knows where he has gone. Nobody knows where he has gone. Walang nakakaalam kung saan siya nagpunta. Nobody knows where he has gone. I asked him where he was going. I asked him where he was going. Tinanong ko kung saan siya pupunta. I asked him where he was going. Tell me exactly where she lives. Tell me exactly where she lives. Sabihin mo sa akin kung saan siya nakatira. Tell me exactly where she lives. Do you know where Liza and Jenni are? Do you know where Liza and Jenni are? Alam mo ba kung nasaan sina Liza at Jenni? Do you know where Liza and Jenni are? I don't remember where I put my wallet. I don't remember where I put my wallet. Hindi ko maalala kung saan ko inilagay ang wallet ko. I don't remember where I put my wallet. Your shoes are here. Where are mine? Your shoes are here. Where are mine? Nandito ang sapatos mo. Nasaan ang sa akin? Your shoes are here. Where are mine? Your pen is here. Where is mine? Your pen is here. Where is mine? Nandito ang pen mo. Nasaan ang sa akin? Your pen is here. Where is mine? Where's the nearest mall? Where's the nearest mall? Saan ang pinakamalapit na mall? Where's the nearest mall? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Saan mo gustong pumunta? Where would you like to go? Any idea where she is right now? Any idea where she is right now? May idea ka ba kung nasaan siya ngayon? Any idea where she is right now? Where are they? Where are they? Nasaan sila? Where are they? Where have you been? Where have you been? Saan ka galing? Where have you been? Where did you buy that dress? Where did you buy that dress? Saan mo binili ang damit na yan? Where did you buy that dress? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Nasaan ka kahapon? Where were you yesterday? Where's your family? Where's your family? Nasaan ang pamilya mo? Where's your family? Where can I buy a safety pin? Where can I buy a safety pin? Saan ako makakabili ng perdible? Where can I buy a safety pin? I often think about the place where I met you. I often think about the place where I met you. Lagi kong naiisip ang lugar kung saan kita nakilala. I often think about the place where I met you. Where's the Qatar Airways check-in counter? Where's the Qatar Airways check-in counter? Nasaan ang check-in counter ng Qatar Airways? Where's the Qatar Airways check-in counter? Where else did you go besides the park? Where else did you go besides the park? Bukod sa park, saan ka pa nagpunta? Where else did you go besides the park? I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. Hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula. I don't know where to start. Where did you get your haircut? Where did you get your haircut? Saan ka nagpagupit? Where did you get your haircut? Where would you like to go next? Where would you like to go next? Saan mo sunod gusto pumunta? Where would you like to go next? Where's Renee's desk? Where's Renee's desk? Saan ang desk ni Rene? Where's Renee's desk? Do you know where she works? Do you know where she works? Alam mo ba kung saan siya nagtatrabaho? Do you know where she works? I don't know where to park my car. I don't know where to park my car. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko igagarahe ang kotse ko. I don't know where to park my car. What's the weather like where you are? What's the weather like where you are? Ibig sabihin, anong lagay ng panahon kung nasaan ka? What's the weather like where you are? Where can I go to get a map of Zagreb? Where can I go to get a map of Zagreb? Saan ako pwedeng pumunta para makakuha ng mapa ng Zagreb? Where can I go to get a map of Zagreb? Where could I find someone to help me? Where could I find someone to help me? Saan ako makakahanap ng taong pwedeng tumulong sa akin? Where could I find someone to help me? Where do you plan to spend the summer? Where do you plan to spend the summer? Saan mo balak pumunta sa summer? Where do you plan to spend the summer? Do you know where he bought this camera? Do you know where he bought this camera? Alam mo ba kung saan niya binili ang kamerang ito? Do you know where he bought this camera? Where can I exchange reals for dollars? Where can I exchange reals for dollars? Saan ako pwedeng magpapalit ng real sa dolyar? Where can I exchange reals for dollars? Where can I buy a ticket to get in? Where can I buy a ticket to get in? Saan ako makakabili ng ticket para makapasok? Where can I buy a ticket to get in? Where did you learn to drive so well? Where did you learn to drive so well? Saan ka natutong magmaneho ng maayos? Where did you learn to drive so well? Where did you get that wood? Where did you get that wood? Saan mo nakuha ang kahoy na yan? Where did you get that wood? Where did you take your earrings off? Where did you take your earrings off? Saan mo hinubad ang mga hikaw mo? Where did you take your earrings off? Put it where children can't get at it. Put it where children can't get at it. Ilagay mo kung saan hindi yan makukuha ng mga bata. Put it where children can't get at it. That's the place where I used to work. That's the place where I used to work. Diyan ang lugar kung saan ako dating nagtatrabaho. That's the place where I used to work. Where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Kapag gusto, may paraan. Where there's a will, there's a way. Where did you have your shirt made? Where did you have your shirt made? Saan mo'y pinagawa ang shirt mo? Where did you have your shirt made? Can you still remember where we first met? Can you still remember where we first met? Naalala mo pa ba kung saan tayo unang nagkita? Can you still remember where we first met? The place where I live is far from town. The place where I live is far from town. Ang lugar kung saan ako nakatira ay malayo sa bayan. The place where I live is far from town. Where do I have to change trains? Where do I have to change trains? Saan ako dapat maglipat o saan ako dapat magpalit ng tren? Where do I have to change trains? That's where the problem is. That's where the problem is. Nandyan ang problema. That's where the problem is.